Okay, a conditional can have a blank of true or false. What do we determine to be, what do we call it when something's true or false? It is its truth value. Okay, and for 21, what is the converse of the following conditional? We're going to take the hypothesis and conclusion and swap them, so let's underline them. Hypothesis, point is in the fourth quadrant. Conclusion, remember, you don't include the if or the then. The conclusion is its coordinates are negative. So if we were to do the converse, which remember, if you remember me stepping over my own shoes and swapping the position of my Converse sneakers, even though I wasn't really wearing them, you would then say if, and we could write it, if, oops, interesting, hold on. Got to unlink those. Okay. If, and we now use what was the conclusion as the hypothesis. If the coordinates of a point are negative, then we're going to use what was as after if and put it to after then now. Then it is in the fourth quadrant. Okay? Swap the hypothesis and the conclusion. Now, number 20. Which condition has the same truth value as its converse? If x equals 7, then the absolute value of x is 7. That's true. But if the absolute value of x is 7, does that mean x is 7? No, because x could be negative, and when you take the absolute value of it, it turns into a positive, the 7. So it's not that one. If a figure is a square, then it has 4 sides. That's true, but it doesn't mean that if a figure has 4 sides, then it is a square. It could be a trapezoid or some other thing. That's not true. Now, see, if x minus 17 equals 4, then x equals 21. Well, that's true. If you solve this out by adding 17 to both sides, you'd see that's true. But can you say then, if x equals 21, then x minus 17 equals 4? Yeah, because if x is 21 and you take away 17 from it, you're always going to get 4. So I like that one. Circle it once, I'll circle it better if it's definitely it here at the end. Okay, if an angle has a measure of 80 degrees, then it's acute. That's true. But the converse of that is, if an angle is acute, then it measures 80 degrees. And that's not necessarily true. Acute angles could measure anything from greater than 0 to less than 90. So it can't be that one because the converse is not true. So C is the answer.